Hi everyone, today we are making a snowman from this piece of wood. So first we're gonna glue a string here on this cardboard and the head. I put a lot of glue. Then we glue the second one and the third one. I'm using hot glue. Now I'm putting the scarf around. I prepared this one and I'm gonna glue it here and here. On top we're gonna glue the hat. I did this from cardboard. Now I'm gonna draw everything first with the pencil and the buttons. Now I'm gonna draw it with this one. For the nose I'm gonna use this one from Orange Pills. If you have for the eyes and the buttons, you can also use something else. And it's finished. I add some red cheeks. You can always improvise something, give or take. Something. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Ciao!